Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to analyze the market for tomorrow based on today's price action. And one more thing guys, I would like to request you please do your own research before you invest or put your hard-earned money in stock market or in any market. Since I'm not a professional trader, I'm just a young man who love the market and sharing his own opinion. That's it. So now let's go back to the Nifty 50 chart. So based on today's price action, if the market is opening flat around this level, uh, I would like to suggest you guys please avoid. It might be trading sideways or range bound type. So let the market break this 1550 or 1525, especially 14,525. Let the market break this area, then you will show the market. And for going long also, let the market stay above this 14,675, then we will go long with a proper stop loss. Suppose if the market up and gap up around these 750 or 700, then let the market retrace or fall first, and then we can go long from this area with a proper stop loss around this area of 14,575, and then from your market might bounce back, but it will be a volatile day. But what if the market opens gap down? If the markets open gap down below this area, then I will wait for the market to go up and I will short from this area with a proper stop loss of 14,600. If it's open flat around this area, I will avoid trading for some times. I will wait for the market, let the market form a structure, then I will decide whether should I go long or short the market. So anyway guys, let's get back to the Nifty Bank. On Nifty Bank, I can see that market had consolidated in the last 30 minutes before the market close. If the market is trading above this zone 32,540, then I will take C or I will go long. Suppose the market, if it's open flat around this area and it crossed this 32,540, I will take CE or I will go long. But suppose if the market is trading below 32,400, suppose if it's open flat around this area, if it's break this line with a good confirmation, then I will short the market with a proper stop loss. If the markets open gap up around 32,800, then definitely I will short the market Let the market touch 32,600 and I will exit my position. But if it is up and gap down, then I will just wait and watch. Let the market form a structure either up or down, then I will decide. But suppose if the market is up and between these area 32,200 and 32,300, I will avoid this zone. Market might trading sideways or might go down. Okay, anyways, tomorrow morning I will check the global market and I will update on the WhatsApp group.